Hi there. In my last video, I talked about how to create a database using MySQL Workbench software and create tables using that customized database. Query statement use the method to insert data into the table in the database, and several other ways to write a search query statement to find the data in a database. Also, in previous videos, I talked about the important step of creating how to improve database management knowledge in some questions. Watch those videos if you missed any steps. In this video, I am going to talk about how to create a database using MySQL Workbench software and create table using that customized database, and how to use the Workbench software to mark the relationship between the tables in the database. Query statement use the method insert to data into the tables in the database, and how to write a search query statement to find the data in a database, and how to write a join query statement to connect to a table. Hey, my name is Chathuranga Lakmal. I am a BSc student from the Institute of Java Institute of Advanced Technology, Sri Lanka, and currently studying full stack software engineering. This channel here is all about learning full stack software engineering skills. I will teach you A to Z in all the subjects related to software engineering. You will also see some of my work videos in near future, but for the most part I will get presentation videos here to help you with software engineering related subjects. So make sure you will like and subscribe and hit the bell icon as well. Okay, so let's move to the presentation. Question set 10. Capital Lab Central College was the only active school in the area during the war season. There were only 15 students in the school. Also, there were only 5 teachers, and one of them was the principal of the school. The principal decided to add all students' detail in a student's attendance marking system, so he would be able to mark the attendance after the main morning assembly at once. Think you are a reputed database engineer and the principal requests to make a database while another developer is developing the system. The details have been given below. That means 15 students and 5 teachers, and one of them was principal. The principal decided to make the DB while another developer is developing the system. I have to make the answers using below table and considering with the following questions. Let's see. Create database name Capital Lab School and insert these data to tables graphically, but I will going to make it query statement. After you created the database, the principal want to check your database for bugs. He has given you some scenarios. Read them carefully and write queries to get result. So first I will create the database and table. Then I will insert data into the database. I will use ER diagram to create the database and table. Rename this Capital Lab School. Then student table at diagram. I have to make 4 tables. First one, rename student. First number, I will use auto increment. Then name, Vaja 45, birthday, date. These 3 columns I will create for now. Then I move to second table, grade. We will rename this as grade. First ID, we will use this also, auto increment. Then grade, it I will use int. Next table, village, first column ID, auto increment, then village, last table, transport, first column ID, auto increment, then transport method, vacha. I have done the first part. Then I will enter the data to database. First I have to make the relationship between these tables. First relationship, in a one grade there will be more student and one student can have one grade only, because one student can have only one grade. They can't have more grades. So grade to student relationship should be one to many. Student many, grade 1. It is done. Next, in one village there will be more student and one student can have one village only, because one student can't have more villages. So village to student table relationship should be one to many. Student many, village 1. Then in a transport method, in a one transport method there will be more student and one student can have one transport method only, because one student can't have more transport method. So transport to student table relationship should be one to many. That also I will mention. Student transport. It is finished. Then I will go to database, code engineer. Next, 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 next. Is success. Then I will move to I will use Hades software from now on. This is a database I have created now. This is the table, and I am going to start the second part. Insert data. First I have to insert grade, village, transport details into these tables. So first I will go insert data into grade, insert into Capitol School database. Then table will be grade, column name, grade, values, grade 6, and execute. Let's see. It is done. It is insert. Then I will show you how to insert data into village table. And I will rename this village name, and execute. Let's see. It is done. Then I move to task table. Third table, transport. Transport method, bus, execute. It also finish. I will show you how to insert data into student table. Insert into capital school dot table name student. First column name, second column birthday, third column grade ID, fourth column village ID, last column then values, first name, birthday, grade, then village, transport method. I have write the query. Go to execute. Let's check. Is successful. I have entered all the details into student table. So let's move to the questions. First question, select all students who study in grade 6. This need to use join query. We'll move to ID software. Now write query. Select all from capital level school, table name student, then join capital level school dot grade on student table, column grade ID equal grade table dot ID. Then condition where grade 6 student need to be grade 6 and combine with grade ID, grade table and student table. This is the join query. I will go to execute. 3 answers return. Grade ID. Let's check. Grade ID 1. Grade ID 1 is grade 6. So query is correct. Then move to next question. Question number 2. Select birthdays of the student who come from Padaviya by bus. student need to come from Padaviya, and transport method is bus. This time I need to combine all these three tables to get the answer. So I will go to head software, select, answer is search birthdays. So select birthday from school dot table name student. Again I have to use join query. Inner join school dot need to combine with village table on student dot column name village ID should be equal to table village dot column ID. Again inner join on the table details. School dot transport on table name student transport ID. It should be equal to table name transport column name ID. Then condition where village, we are asking village from Padaviya, other condition, and transport ID equal transport method. Remove the column name transport method equal my bus. Search query, and I will go to execute. These are the birthdays as per the question. Then move to third question. Select names of the student who study at grade 9 and come from Mihintale on foot. Student should be grade 9 and should be come from Mihintale, and transport method would be foot. So this time all these four tables combined together. I will go to head software and I will write the query. Select name from school dot student table. Again join query, inner join school dot grade table on student dot grade ID be equal to grade table dot column ID, and inner join school dot other column other table village student table dot village id will be equal to village table dot column id. Okay. Now join capital school dot other table transport on student table dot transport id should be equal to table name transport column name id. Then condition where grade equal 9 and village equal Mihintale and transport method equal put and finish. Let's execute. And these are the answers as per the third question. This is the end of this presentation. Alright, anyway, hopefully that is helpful for you. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments about that, and go ahead and try it and let me know how it works for you as well. Alright, thanks, and we will see you in the next video.